Miss Vanjie, Miss Vanjie, Miss Vanjie. Bitch, I'm back.
Hey everyone, welcome back to third episode of Creative Photoshoot and welcome to Artistic, a channel all about food, fashion and well, today's topic is a bit interesting because it's about Frida Kahlo. Because it's all about Frida Kahlo. Okay, she's been a great inspiration for me and many other artists out there. So I thought why not to make a video on Frida Kahlo. So last week I created this picture and received a great response from people. Now let's see how I created this picture and watch the video till end because. So it is combination of two different pictures, that is a normal selfie and Frida Kahlo's picture. By taking Frida Kahlo's picture as a base picture, we have to add photo to it, that is a normal selfie. So I'm taking this one. So before bringing it back to normal size, I'm cropping it. I'm cropping it half, my face. Now bring it back to normal size, and here's the trick. Just make your chin align, then it's done. Now going to the erase option, you have to erase the rest of your picture. Not only Frida Kahlo's, but you can try it with your friend's picture or many other things. I'm going with Frida Kahlo's picture because I am so inspired by her struggle, her life struggle and her art. That's why I'm going with Frida Kahlo, and every one of us should learn something from her story. Now we are done with the picture. All we have to do is go to effects and add a filter. And as usual, after adding the filter, we have the picture. Ta-da-da! Woo! So the picture which is on your screen right now is painted by Frida Kahlo, named Two Fridas, and getting inspired by this picture, I'm creating a photograph named Two Bitches with Same Outfit in the Same Club. The bitch! Now to create this, you have to select a plain background, add something on which you can sit. And even this is combination of two different pictures. Yeah. You have to click two different pictures with the same background without moving the camera, and now you have to add another picture to it. Now one more time, bringing the picture back to its normal. Yes, you have to crop it and then bring it back to normal size. I don't know why I have this speaking problem. Okay, so you will have this sharp line. Now all you have to do is just erase this. Damn, I don't know how I'm gonna deal with it. Yes, erase it. And now you can see the picture is getting blended. Yeah, bitch. And now it's time for magic, that is filter. Add a filter. And yeah, you have the two bitches in a same club and same outfit picture. I'm so proud of myself. Well, I hope you enjoyed my video, so give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. My next video is gonna be creative and different and artistic and so don't forget to watch my next video. For this, you have to hit the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever I post the next video. Till then, bye!